Grabe ganda ng boses. Oh my God! Wow! I love that! What's up everyone? It's me, your Sulichi John Valencia, and welcome back to Truly Asia Diaries. For today, we're back for another reaction video for Ruel Carino, and this time meron siyang kaduet, which is Leia Patricio for the song Please Be Careful With My Heart with a KDR band. Yes, Leia Patricio is part of The Voice Philippines Season 2. Kasabayan to ni Jason Lee. At ngayong kaduet niya si Ruel. So exciting to guys dahil napakagaling din ito ni Leia Patricia, and of course, napakagaling din ni Ruel. So tignan natin how they will have their own rendition of Please Be Careful With My Heart. But before I proceed guys, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go.
Ang
Here it is,
tinatawag
guys.
nilang bunso.
Yes, ang bunso.
Paano yung sigaw na kinikilig?
Ano doon sigaw?
Okay, let's bring it back to Ruel Carino!
Hey! Oh my God, ang cute! Hey, what apaka-cute ni Ruel. So goopy. Bunso-bunso.
Nakatingin namin itong magandang duet na to by Mr. Jose Marichan and Regine Velasquez.
Ay,
Regine!
Jose Maricha naman siya. Woo!
Regine!
Woo! Woo! Nakita niyo yung reaction ni Ruel. Ang cute.
Yes. Ruel Carino, ladies and gentlemen.
So, Jose Maricha naman siya for today's video.
If you love me like you tell me, please be careful with my heart.
Sila na yung dumuwet. Oh my God! O sige, kayo na lang kumanta. Charot. Binigay na yung mic. Binigay na yung mic. Oh my God. Naging interpreter na lang po ang isang Leia Patricio.
Makauwi na nga.
Umuwi! Oh my God! This is so entertaining.
I will be true to you.
Grabe ganda ng boses.
Just a promise you will do.
Diba? Iba din ang isang Leia Patricio.
This time, please be careful with my heart.
I love her runs. Grabe.
Well,
And then, Ruel. Oh my God! Grabe yung sigawan. Nakakakilig.
Promise I'll be always true for the world and all to see.
Aww, very Jose Maricha. Din pati yung nuisance niya.
Love has heard something softly spoken, and I have had my heart badly broken.
Grabe, ang classy kumanta ni Ruel, guys. Grabe. It's giving classy.
I've been burned and I've been hurt before.
Aww. Inalalayan.
So I know just how you
So, alam mo yung binugaw si Ruel sa stage. Hindi na naman sa kabila.
be gentle with your heart, caress it like the morning.
Wow, I love the runs din ni Ruel. Very yung alam mo yung controlled but classy. Oo.
I'll be right beside you forever. I won't let our world fall apart. From the very start, I'll be careful with your heart.
Diba? Grabe yung sigaw. Wow! I love that! Oh my God, ang sweet! Grabe, alam mo, Ruel is hitting the high notes in a way na akala mo nahihirapan siya, but that's a normal way of singing it. And then, Leia Patricia's vocal, oh my God, nakakamiss.
From the very start,
Diba? Yung akala mo kakapusin si Ruel, but that's the way he's singing it. Ganun lang talaga.
your heart.
Nagturo. That is so cute. Oh my God. What an entertaining, cute performance. Ang galing.
Parang nasa roller coaster. A picture down.
Ang cute. Oh, that is so
Sabi
sweet.
niya, sabihin mo wala ako. Yes, a picture.
Ang cute. Alalalalalalalala. Nilagyan ng suman.
Pagbiro talaga to si Bunso.
Oo,
Nag-enjoy po kayo
napaka-goofy.
doon? Nagkaroon niyo
Super
na-
enjoy. Oh, hinag pa niya. It's so cute.
Parang gusto niyo iuwi si Ruel. Gusto ko na lang iuwi. Alright.
That
Gusto niyo
is
po
so
ba?
cute.
Yes,
Ang bait ni
yes,
Ruel,
yes.
grabe. Very approachable.
Okay.
There you have it, guys. That is Ruel Carino with Leia Patricia singing Please Be Careful With My Heart. Sobrang entertaining nung performance na yun, guys. Grabe, ang dami kong tawa. For sure kayo din tawang-tawa. You can comment down below what can you say about this performance. Nakakatuwa to watch how they interact with the audience and also how goofy and entertaining this performance. Especially umpisa, no, yung audience yung kumakanta ng part. Tapos parang uuwi na lang si Leia Patricia. But nonetheless, it was very entertaining and it's so pleasant to watch. Grabe. Sobrang nag-enjoy ako and thank you so much for requesting this. And of course, that's our reaction for today. If you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Leisha Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.